Whether you're a total rookie or an expert affiliate marketer, knowing the top CPA networks is essential. These CPA networks contain thousands of offers and pay out a lot of money. Most of the time, you won't have to work too hard to persuade prospects to click your affiliate link and convert straight away. What is CPA affiliate marketing? CPA is an acronym for cost per acquisition or cost per action. In brief, this means CPA affiliate marketing is all about generating leads. As a result, you will be paid a predetermined fee each time you recommend a visitor who completes the needed action for an offer. Here are the best CPA network in 2022. 1. Admitad. Admitad is a global affiliate marketing network with over 2,000 different sponsors. And they have an affiliate program in almost every industry. They offer contextual advertising, interstitial advertising, and app installs as ways to monetize your traffic. Your visitors don't have to worry about canceling pop-ups. And you can still make money from your content by employing appealing CPA offers. This is what distinguishes them from the other finest CPA networks on this list. Affiliate marketers who work with Admitad report daily revenues of up to $32,700. 2. Perform. Perform previously is ClickBooth. The minds behind this CPA affiliate network have a track record of decades of industry experience. Most significantly, they have hundreds of carefully picked offers spanning a wide range of prominent online advertising verticals. This includes all of the standard affiliate marketing niches such as lifestyle entertainment, dating, finance, health, and so on. Perform provides a wide range of deals that you can promote. They've been in business since 2002. In comparison to other mega networks, the affiliate network likewise has a low payout threshold. CPA networks can occasionally vanish in an instant. As a result, collaborating with one that has serviced both publishers and advertising for many years is always desirable. 3. CPALead. CPALead is a CPA affiliate network specializing in desktop and mobile offers. They do, however, exhibit a significant preference for mobile. Furthermore, they have over 300 services and goods that you may market using a variety of formats, such as native ads, pop-ups, banner ads, and pop-unders. They also handle all of your device-specific targeting and geo-scheming. As an affiliate, all you have to do is select the offer that you believe will have the highest conversion rate for CPA marketing and deliver warm traffic to it. CPALead, as shown in the image below, works with some of the world's best and biggest businesses. This is most likely why they were able to pay out more than $100 million to their affiliate partners. 4. Adwork Media. With so many CPA networks accessible, what distinguishes Adwork Media as a standout affiliate network? Their first differentiator is the amount of advertisers and campaigns they manage, which is currently over 2,500. Second, they concentrate on mobile-friendly content lock deals. In essence, your traffic completes a free trial or survey to gain access to the material they desire. And the CPA network pays you a commission every time they do so. Adwork Media additionally rewards affiliates who generate the most profitable leads with performance bonuses. You must begin with monthly payments at first. However, after a while, you can convert to weekly. 5. MaxBounty. MaxBounty is one of the most established networks in the CPA affiliate marketing industry. It first appeared in 2004. The network is also well liked by advertisers, since it was awarded the top CPA network at the 2019 Blue Book Awards. It also earns a lot of praise from CPA affiliates, because it has over 2,000 active campaigns with advertisers from all around the world. MaxBounty has an affiliate program that will satisfy your audience's needs regardless of where they live. This affiliate network, in addition to weekly income, delivers performance bonuses to top affiliate marketers through recurring performance-based rewards. Following approval, the affiliate is assigned a dedicated manager who will assist them in driving quality traffic to their offers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.